Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford F-150 in a Platinum trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with a bit of a lift kit installed, as you can probably tell, with pocket-style fender flares, vent shades on the windows, and power deployable running boards, so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more right here with a 12-volt, two USBs, 110-volt power outlet, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. You also have massaging front seats, which is nice for those long road trips. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the odometer, which is sitting at 59,866, and moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, auto start stop status. You have some truck info such as gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, and engine info. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable. And you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your hill descent assist, traction control shut off, hazards, auto start stop shut off, and you have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, Pro Trailer backup controller, and trailer brake controller. On the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Then down below, you have this compartment with 2 USBs. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. You have 2 cup holders, lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And then, looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.